Hi, this is Chinmayi. As I'm winding my day today, I thought this would be a perfect time to tell you guys how I use my Jade Roller to massage at the end of my routine nighttime skincare. So let me take you right in.
Hey, this is Chinmayi.
Put it onto your face. Put it on. If you don't have a regular nighttime K-beauty style skincare routine, what you could do is use this with any oil. Ideally, please use it with an oil or a cream or a night cream that you might be using. This is also something that you could use at daytime. Now, I have explained what the Jade Roller is and what the benefits of it are in my previous video. Now, if you have a regular nighttime skincare routine, this is something that you can use to massage all the skincare products into your face. Even otherwise, if you don't have a full-blown routine like me and so many other people, all that you could do is just use any massage oil. A coconut oil would be great, gingerly oil would be great, and if you also have something like the Nalpamaradi Thailam or the Kumkumadi Thailam, this is something that you could use to just push the oil into your skin a little bit and use it as a massage. Now, I have explained what the benefits of using the Isle of Skin Jade Roller are in my previous video where I introduced this product and how we went about doing this. So I'm going to be jumping right into how I use the Jade Roller. Now, this is something that I use at night time. I also use it when I have just applied a sheet mask, and then I just roll it over the sheet mask so that the ingredients just kind of go in, and I massage that in as well. Just about when it's about say 50 to 60% dry, so that when I'm pressing it in, I don't have the essence dripping down my neck. So I'm going to be using the Kumkumadi Thailam. A lot of you are already aware of it because this is a part of my staple skincare routine. I have told you guys that this is the Vaidya Ratnam Kumkumadi Thailam. I'm a little messy today. The Isle of Skin Jade Roller box has this illustrative guide that will show you the general direction in which you can use your roller. And now I'm going to be starting with my forehead. So I roll up first using light pressure. And then once you're done, do it about a few times left to right. And once you're done, just roll it from the top of your forehead down to your temple and just slightly press. Now I am coming to the side of my nose and then rolling back to my temple again, rolling upwards using light pressure. Just keep your strokes one-sided, don't go up and down. Sometimes I do that anyway, but just letting you know, if you can be a little mindful about this massaging technique probably at the end of your day. This also, if you have sinus related issues, this can help ease it a little bit. I'm not saying this is going to cure it or something, but this massage and this rolling does help relieve some of the pressure. And then I'm just switching over to the smaller bead side and then going around my nose and then going around my eye. Be very gentle around your eyes. And once you're done with this a few times, just from the temple, roll it down to your jaw, and from here, roll it down to the sides of your neck. Roll it down a few times, using light pressure all the time. And when you come down to the front of your neck, again use upward rolling motions. Then sweep it up, bring it down to your side, and similarly just do it for the other side of your face as well. Now this is something that I have been doing for a while, though I have not really shared it on my Instagram page, because this, for the past 7-8 months I've been trying to develop this, trying to get this done right, find the right sort of people, which I did explain in my previous video. Nevertheless, I hope you like this. I hope if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below and I'll try my best to answer them. Thank you very much, and until I see you in my next video, this is Chinmayi saying bye-bye.